by referee Crystal John.
They've done everything well, Shillong, Lajong trying to get into the attacking zone quite often, but then the last moment they run out of ideas what to do in the middle of the park. They've got only options to shoot from far, and this will be a great opportunity in the corner kick.
Hardy with the ball, puts in a good ball again. There is Daniel there at the end of it. Not too happy with, of course, with the Aji Baji pulling on the shirts, making sure, telling the referee about his displeasure.
It's not going to be very easy when you're attacking the ball. Nobody's going to allow you a free header, and that's the reason why there's going to be a tussle, and he's been complaining. But everything is fair in football as long as the referee doesn't see it.
Crowd too, of course, making sure that displeasure is heard at goalkeeper Gurmeet, because one of their Northeast United players has gone down. It is jersey number 2, Dinesh. Coach, meanwhile, is making full use of that stoppage and talking to his players. I'm guessing so far that game plan has been working, Henry. It's working beautifully, because you've got Ajare running amok, who's running at full gusto, who's just making sure he's not leaving any blade of the glass untouched, only for him to be taken off in the second half. And then you have someone like a Guillermo coming on, and the pressure just continues to come on you.
Yeah, what a wonderful situation over here. When you talk about strategy, we were sitting and thinking about what must have happened. He's removed the pressure out from the strikers by keeping Jermer outside and bringing in Ajare. And the defense also must have relaxed a little bit with his presence over there, and that could be the strategy of the coach. And rightfully, they've really hit on the target. They've got the target twice, and that man has made the difference.
Yeah, they always say that whatever you see in a game, the coach sees more than that in the training field. And sometimes it's about body language, sometimes about sharpness. It's just some things you see on the training pitch that as a coach helps you in making those. Here comes Jitin. He's been all of running in this first half, causing all. Remember, there is no technology at play. There is no VAR at play. So you can't fall back to that. You've got to take real-time decisions.
A ball little bit bounced a little bit high. His first touch deceived him. But nevertheless, he's one man who can work on the wings. He can cut in and get inside the box to get a vision at the goal. What a fantastic player combination there. Toy Singh, Chetin, Ajare, Nestor. They've gone really one step up, strength to strength, as they get on to the long season of the ISL. Durand Cup has really given them that much important competitive play. Strong teams.
Everbright Sana brought down by Nestor. Twisting and turning a bit too much on that occasion. You're brought down in the center of the park, jersey number 12. A busy player loves, of course, being on the ball. Doesn't mind taking on a player or two. 3 minutes of added time. 3 minutes of added time. What does Shillong Lajong have in their kitty? They've seen a number of set pieces go their way as far as corners and set pieces on the field. Another one, this one taken by Hardy. Just haven't been able to have any bite or back a punch on the back of any of those set pieces, much like this one.
It's important in order to get the ball on the height, far away from the goalkeeper, into the penalty area where you have the second touch man ready for that ball. That was the actual intent of that pass, and nevertheless earning his team a corner.
Put in again by Hardy, and a good catch, confident catch by goalkeeper Gurmeet. The number of players in front of him, Henry Menezes would have been a proud man.
It's very interesting, when you talk about goalkeepers, they do the right decision at the right time. It brings in a lot of confidence to the defenders too, and of course to the team. And he's done pretty well, Gurmeet. He's had a good tournament.
At the other end, Manas Dubey lobs it forward. Coach Jose Carlos Hevia will of course have to make a few changes as far as that lemon break is concerned, because clearly something's not working as far as the attack of his team is concerned. Also with the numbers that are bombing forward, here you see it again. Gaps to be exploited by Northeast United. The ease with which they're exploiting these gaps in this first half, it's been a regular feature in these first 45 minutes. Down the left flank in this competition, one just wonders if they would have had a striker who's of course been in the kind of form that a certain Guillermo or Ajare would have been, then you could have seen so many more goals from a Shillong Lajong side. And I'm guessing that is job number one when you're building up to a brand new I-League season, is that you've got to find someone who can be banging in those goals that you do in all your build-up. And with that, it's been an eventful